Good afternoon. Welcome to Jaya Restaurant. May I take your order?
Yes, I want fried chicken, white rice, and avocado juice.
Yes, sir. I will be delivered soon.
Yes.
Food product, bread, rice, milk, eggs, fruits, vegetable, meat, fish, pasta, cheese. Non-food product, cleaning supplies, soap, paper towels, toothpaste, laundry detergent, shampoo, toilet paper, personal care product, batteries, household items.